Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best tool trays that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Tool Trays. People who own bikes or cars know the importance of keeping maintenance and repair tools in the garage. After all, you never know when your vehicle will need some good fixing. When you have many tools, you will need a place to keep your items organized. Some prefer the use of toolboxes, while others prefer the use of trays. Tool trays allow you to view your items immediately. Number 5. Amazing Deal Diamond Painting Accessories Drill Tray. Diamond drawing tool accessories are ideal gifts for children or adults. Save money and time for decoration and storage. DIY tool set, convenient and economical. Main features: multi-port holder, 4 pieces plastic beads container, durable materials. Number 4. Socket wrench holder set of 80 socket tray. The storage box for screwdrivers and wrenches allows you to easily organize and use all screwdrivers, pliers, ratchets, wrenches, extensions and other small tools in one place. Main features: made of high quality, high capacity, wide range of uses. Number 3. JSP Manufacturing Red and Black 16 Tool Rack Tray. These wrench organizers are heavy duty and ideal for your toolbox or wall storage. These accessories will give you the convenience and versatility in organizing your garage and tools. Main features: easy to accessibility, heavy duty and stable. Made in USA. Number 2. 6 pieces socket organizer tray set. This complete socket trays set is designed for eliminating your toolbox clutter and keeping it organized. Make it convenient for you to find the dedicated socket instantly. Main features: clear socket sizes for instant. Dual rail design. Made from durable ABS. Number 1. Gripty Premium Silicone Tool Tray. The best flexible tool mat to stay organized and keep your hardware and tools in place. Washable, easy to clean up with a damp rag or soapy water. Easy to carry and store. Main features: high durable material, slip resistant. Several applications. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.